Our next spotlight is our Xiaomi 13 Pro, a standard contender on the second lineup top Xiaomi phones as of 2024. The Xiaomi 13 makes waves, but it's a Pro version that captures our admiration. This model boasts an eye-catching ceramic body that induces luxury. It displays a generous 6.73-inch Quad HD Plus refresh at 120Hz, ensuring fluid visuals. Under the hood, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor provides a glitch-free operation across even the most intensive apps. The display, an AMOLED E6 panel from Samsung, features the LTPO technology for energy efficiency and offers a crisp WQHD resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels. This results in a sharp 521 ppi with 10-bit color depth and a refresh rate that dynamically adjusts from 1 to 120 Hz. One standout feature is its peak brightness of 1900 nits, surpassing luminance offered by the competitors like the Galaxy S23 series. This screen delivers superior visual enjoyment from every angle, enhanced by a reduced bezel curvature, which also minimizes unintended touches. Performance-wise, the Xiaomi 13 Pro shines not just the raw speed and gaming powers. The processor efficiency stands out, adept at handling demanding tasks without overheating. Battery life is solid. Despite not being the primary highlight, it sports a full day of heavy use with features like 120Hz refresh rate enabled. Xiaomi elevates the charging game with a 120-watt fast charging capability, refilling the battery in under 20 minutes with the official charger, making it a powerhouse for those on the go. This is a quality product, and all we can do is to recommend it.